Introducing the new generation in coffee makers, a fully automatic coffee maker that eliminates the need to fumble around with filters. The machine stores and grinds whole coffee bean, contains a stack of coffee filters, and connects to a water supply. It features a user-selectable control panel for dispensing a selected amount of coffee beans and a single filter for subsequent brewing. At the touch of a button, the machine separates and sets the filter, fills with water, measures, grinds, and dispenses the coffee beans into the filter, brewing the perfect cup of coffee. This clever innovation stores freshly ground coffee or whole beans, stores and separates coffee filters, features programmable brew time and strength, connects to a water supply. No need to measure. The use of the new generation in coffee makers ensures great coffee every time, eliminating the hassles associated with conventional methods.